Master your time using ActiveCollab time tracking. You and your team can track all your billable and non-billable work from anywhere in your workspace, or start the stopwatch directly in a task. Time tracking helps you stay focused and see how long it takes to get the job done. Compare tracked against estimated time to plan effectively for the future. Everyone on your team has personal timesheets with a clear overview of their time entries. Analyze how you spend your time to improve productivity and prioritize better. Organize your schedule to meet project deadlines and avoid bottlenecks. Time records are also available on a project level, with all the billable and non-billable hours logged by your team. This part is crucial for accurate billing and pricing. Don't worry if someone forgets to add time records. You can edit and add time retrospectively and even track time across devices. People with an Owner or Member Plus role can also access and manage team timesheets. Team timesheets include everyone's time records, capacities, and availability. Project managers and team leads can use them to track overtime and late timesheets, manage payroll, and bill clients accurately. Team timesheets help you improve accountability and transparency, assess and boost productivity, to ultimately find ways to better manage your time and workload.